taking off over there on Facebook. On a lighter note, how about something a little satisfying here? Is this the last one of the day, Will?
It's the last one, yeah.
All right, so a little satisfying moment, the opposite of the last clip. Here we have Sterling Nova car detailing restoration. This is a very beat-up old vehicle, very cool vehicle, by the way, in much need of some tender love and care. And as you'll see here, that's exactly what it gets in this DIY and crafts video posted 7 hours ago, already 1 million views. And why shouldn't it have 1 million views? Watch it come back to life. Look at the way the black goes black again and the orange starts to become vibrant. Mo's got a little smile on his face. He loves it.
Pressure washer, man.
Pressure
So
washer, does it all. He's protecting the window. I mean, look at this.
Wow.
That's the
That's
most
just
satisfying.
fun, man.
It's all brand new, all over again, and we've totally washed our minds of that conflict in the last video.
Cleansed.
Well, I actually did forget.
Yes, you did, Mo, and I don't even want to bring you back to it. Let's stay here. Let's stay in satisfying land, and let's just actually go forward and see the results here. Shout out DIY and Crafts on Facebook. Let's see the finished product, Will. There it is. What a restoration. Ready to hit the streets, better than ever.
Wow.
Look at that. Lovely stuff. Give me that gargoyle track so we can get out of here, Will. Shout out DJT. Thank you to everybody who joined on this live episode. Sorry if there were any technical difficulties. I know Mo was yelling and screaming at me a couple of times. He had his headphone like this, and he had an angry look on his face. It's all right. We made it through. We made it to the end. We made it to the restoration. Gargoyles live forever. I don't know if they actually do. I used to watch a cartoon as a kid. Somebody remind me. Willie Doo probably did it too. What a time to be alive. 2022, it's only up from here. We're on the good side of it now, ladies and gentlemen. We're all going to get along. We're all going to realize the middle ground. We're all going to hang out in the middle ground. That's where the party's at. That's where the gargoyles live. They live on the top of buildings, and they're made of stone, and they come to life, I think, at night.
Yes.
Anyway, there you have it. Thanks, Will. Thanks, everybody.